Hello, and welcome to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the hosts here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the price of Bitcoin because we are finally getting some movement within Bitcoin. This week has been a very slow week. There hasn't been any trading opportunities for us, unlike last week, which was just a crazy trading week. We made so many trades. We were 100% profitable last week. Such a profitable week last week. Over 150% profits were made that week, and I showed everything to my team over on Discord. As you can very clearly see here, we just made some amazing trades. TP, another TP on the long at 42%. Really nice trade there. We can take a look here. This short position, 35%. Taking loads and loads of profits last week. Really profitable week, but unfortunately, again, 40%, really nice trades that we were taking last week. This week has just been very slow, unfortunately. And yes, we are going to talk about what has happened today because we are getting a little bit more volatility coming into the market today because of that CPI data. I'm going to look at the levels that I'm waiting for as well to update you on areas that I'm looking to enter into trades, whether that be a long or a short position. So if that sounds interesting, please make sure you smash a like on this video, smash that thumbs up button, and we will jump straight on into the charts. Before we do though, please make sure you click the link in the description, which takes you over to Bit Trading, our website, and it will lead you to this screen here. If you click Bit Trading here, join Bit Trading here, it will take you over to have access to the courses that we have. So we have the free introduction courses, we have the Visionary membership, and we also have the Prospect membership as well. The Visionary membership gives you access to the trading courses, and it gives you access to the premium Discord, which if you click here, you can have access to that by putting your Discord username in. And like I said, I'm putting in trades that I'm taking on that Discord. It's literally my whole mindset behind trading. So very valuable information. So make sure you click the link in the description, which takes you over to the website, and go and check that website out. So let's jump straight on into the charts and talk about what has actually happened today within Bitcoin, because I did in fact predict the movement today for Bitcoin, and I was telling my team over on the Discord. Okay, so we'll take a look at that very quickly. And this morning at 10:30 a.m. I said possible setup that I am looking for. If the confluence is aligned, I will update you if I enter. So this was what I was looking for. Okay, I was looking for the price to continue to rise. Okay, take out this buy side liquidity up here, and then pull back. That's exactly what I was looking for this morning, and we came very close to actually seeing this occur. Okay, I mean, the thesis of my idea happened, okay, that the price was pushing up and then pulling back. That happened perfectly, okay, but we just front run this buy side liquidity ever so slightly, which meant that we couldn't actually enter into that short position because all of the confluence just wasn't aligning. Okay, so as we can see here, exactly what I was looking at. Let's go into the 30-minute charts. Exactly what I was looking for, okay, happened, which was the price rose, and then we got that pullback. That is exactly what I was looking for. However, we just front run this buy side liquidity up here ever so slightly, as you can see right there. I would have liked to enter a trade. I would have liked the price to swipe this buy side liquidity out and then to see that sell off. Okay, but unfortunately, we didn't get that, so I did not actually enter into that short position. But the overall thesis, like I said, did happen. We got that push towards the upside, and then the pullback occurred. So this is what I was looking for. This is what I was telling my team that I was looking for. But unfortunately, that short did not happen. And then I continued to update them later on in the day. The idea was right, but the price front run the buy side liquidity. So unfortunately, we didn't get a new short entry. Okay, as I've just shown you right here. Price continued to rise. We got that pullback that I was looking for right here, but we front run that buy side liquidity, so we didn't get the confirmation to enter into that short position, unfortunately. But then I went on to say, however, we still have our original short position open, as you can see here, and I did let the team know that I was entering into the short position up here. So I said I am short. I showed you where I was short from, and I showed you why I was short as well. Okay, we had SFP and we had bear divs coming in as well. And I showed you me taking profit, TP1, 10%. Stop loss, move to entry. Here at Bit Trading, we like to take our profit, move that stop loss to entry, okay, to ensure that our trade is now risk-free. That's what we like to do. And then the trade continued to print, okay. TP2, 21%. Really, really nice take profit. TP3, 30%. Another really, really nice take profit there. Okay, 35%. The trade continued to yield us results. Okay, until the price started to rise a little bit, but we did not get stopped out of that trade. Remember, stop loss has been moved to entry. We haven't hit entry price as of yet, so we're still in that short position, okay? And that short position, we did actually enter back here. Let's have a look. Let me show you quick. So we did actually enter in this short position at approximately this level right here. It was, in fact, on a larger time frame, so yeah, we did enter this short position up here, which was a really, 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 really nice short position. So yeah, if you do want to join this Discord, then please make sure you come over to the website and click join Bit Trading right here. It will give you access to this Discord, which yeah, I'm giving loads and loads of my trades away. I'm just giving you my overall mindset behind my trades. Okay, take another example here. We were looking at a long, now taking a hedged long position. Okay, TP1 10%, TP2 25%, long is running 30%, TP3 at 40%. As we can see here, really, really profitable trades. Last week we had a very, very profitable week. 100% win rate we had last week, and we were just taking trade after trade after trade after trade. But unfortunately, this week has been very, very slow. Okay. There's only been one trading opportunity this week, and that was actually on Monday. Let's have a look. That was very, very late on Monday evening. That was, well, Monday morning. That was at, approximately 1 o'clock in the morning. There was a trade here, which would have been a very, very profitable, as you can see, very profitable long position. But unfortunately, I was asleep, so I could not bring that trade to you. And the second trading opportunity that I saw was potentially today at around lunchtime, 12:30. If we could have got that SFP off of the buy side liquidity there and then got that pullback, if we swept the liquidity at the buy side. The buy side liquidity, then we would have entered that trade, but we unfortunately didn't get that, so we couldn't have entered that trade. But this week has been very, very slow for price action, as we can see here. We just been ranging slightly. No real trade entry. Okay, if we went onto the 5-minute time frame and we were looking for those scalps, then potentially yes, there was those trading opportunities there. But for me right now, I'm looking 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour time frame, maybe the 4 hour as well. Looking for those sort of bigger swing trades, swing day trades. So that's what I'm looking for at the moment, because that's what is working for me at this moment in time. And last week did just prove that, because yeah, we were very, very profitable last week. Over 150% profit was made on our trading portfolio last week. And yeah, I have all the proof. All the proof is in the pudding. All the proof is in that Discord. So if you want to join this Discord, make sure you click the link in the description, which takes you over to Bit Trading, and you can have access to that. But yeah, this week has been just very, very slow. CPI data did bring some volatility into the market finally, but again, like I said, we front run that buy side liquidity, so unfortunately we couldn't enter in that short position, but we're already in that short position, so we don't have to worry too much. But yeah, talking about the CPI core inflation rate year on year, that came in better than expected, so 4.8%, forecast was 5%. Inflation rate came in at 3%, forecast was 3.1%, so you can see better than expected. That's why we're seeing the ES have that nice push towards the upside. But yeah, Bitcoin didn't have that nice push towards the upside. And like I was expecting, we got that pullback. Unfortunately, we couldn't capitalize on that because the confluence did not align. But the thesis was the same, okay? The idea I had planned was the same. Unfortunately, we just didn't have all the confluence aligning together to actually get the confirmation to fire in that trade. But again, we're still in that short position, so it doesn't matter too much. So now what am I looking for? Okay, what am I looking for here? Well, we actually have sell side liquidity down here. For me, this isn't a major sell side liquidity level, so I'm not really looking at a potential trading opportunity here. If all the confluence aligns, then potentially yes, then we can fire in that long position. But what we've actually seen is price has tapped this to the dollar. Okay, it has tapped the sell side liquidity from here to the dollar, got a little bounce, but we're getting that continuation towards the downside. For me, this isn't a strong sell side liquidity level because this isn't really a true low. I wouldn't call this a true low because we are just ranging here. It's just very ugly ranging price action. So yeah, I wouldn't say it's a true low. So here I would expect price to just break through this. We have a big sell side liquidity down here. So we could be looking at a long position if the price does get down here and all the confluence aligns. So that's where we could be looking at a long position. But if we zoom out, we have our major levels that we are looking at and we are waiting for, and I've been updating my team over the past few days. These are the major levels. Okay, down here we have big sell side liquidity down here that I'm looking to capitalize on if we do get the price coming down here. I've said already, this is where we're looking at taking potential long positions. Okay, and then we have massive buy side liquidity at the top here. Okay, if we're short, this is where we would be looking for short positions. Okay, but remember, we still have buy side liquidity at 31,044. So we have to be aware of that as well. There's potential shorting opportunities there if confluence aligns, as always. Okay, but the bigger levels I am waiting for is $31,500 and $29,400. I'm waiting for those levels to either enter a long position from down here or a short position from up here if the confluence aligns, as always. Okay, so those are the bigger levels I'm looking for, but I'm looking for those smaller little trades as well within this range, because it is possible to trade within this range. Now, I have said in a previous video that I am waiting for these bigger levels, okay? And I'm still waiting for those bigger levels, okay? And, if I were to take a trade, this trade here, if I were to take this trade, I would have been entering with lower capital than I would have if I entered at these bigger levels here, because these are bigger, sell side liquidity levels, buy side liquidity levels. Okay, these are much bigger levels that we're looking to trade, and normally there's a lot more confluence and there's a much stronger reaction off of those levels as well. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Now, where I'm expecting the price to go right now, we're looking at that price pullback. We could continuously see this price pullback, then come down to $29,400, where we will fire in that potential long position if the confluence aligns. So yeah, don't really care where the price goes. Okay, all I'm looking to do is to react on what the price is telling me. Okay, what the price action is telling me. Okay, and if we see the if we see the confluence down here, then we can fire that long position. If we see the confluence up here, then we can fire that short position. And as always, everyone over on the Discord, okay, my visionary members over on the Discord will be the first people to know about it. And like I said, to get access to that, make sure you click the link in the description, which takes you over to BitTrading and gives you access to that Discord as well. So check that out, please. But yeah, my overall thesis for today: price rising, then pulling back, was correct, but we just front ran that buy side liquidity. So unfortunately, we couldn't enter that short position, but we're still in that short position that we entered last week as well. So we're good. We're still in that short position. We're still capitalizing if that price does continue to fall. So yeah, that's everything I've got for you today. Of course, I will be keeping everyone updated, all the visionary members updated in the Discord. So take yourself over to the website, link in the description if you want to join that. Make sure you follow us on Twitter as well, please. Yeah, follow us over on Twitter, giving you updates on Twitter as well. And yeah, I think that's everything I've got for you today. I will come live tomorrow and update you if there's anything to update you with. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Smash that like button and see you later, guys. Thank you. Bye.